In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana. First, open Asana and sign in. If you're joining an existing team, choose the workspace or team that's already set up. If you're starting fresh, create a new one so all your projects and teammates can live in the same place. A clear, simple workspace name helps everyone find things quickly. Next, create a project. Click New Project and choose whether you want a blank project, a list, a board, or start from a template. List is great for step-by-step work. You'll scan top to bottom. Board gives you columns you can move tasks through like to do, doing, and done. Templates are handy if you want a pre-built structure for common workflows. Now add tasks. Click Add task, then give each task a short action-oriented title, add a helpful description, set a due date, and choose an assignee. Clear titles and realistic due dates prevent confusion later. If context is needed, write a couple of lines in the description so anyone can jump in and understand what's expected. Organize your tasks so the project is easy to read. In a list, add sections to group related work. In a board, create columns that reflect your stages or categories. Drag and drop tasks to reorder them. Grouping by phase, priority, or work stream makes it obvious what should happen first. Assign the work. Select yourself or a teammate as the assignee and add due dates so timing is visible. If your team tracks priority, set it on the task and attach any files or links people will need to complete the work. Keeping everything in the task reduces back and forth and keeps progress transparent. Track progress using the view that fits best. Timeline helps you see how tasks connect over time. Calendar is perfect for date-driven planning. Board view shows status at a glance. As work gets done, mark task complete, so your project reflects reality. Communicate inside tasks to keep discussion tied to the work. Use comments to share updates, ask for details, or post decisions. Mention teammates to notify the right people, and keep conversation threads focused on a single task to avoid scattered messages. If your plan includes it, consider using rules to automate repetitive actions like auto-assigning new tasks, moving tasks when a field changes, or setting dates when a status updates. Automation save time and reduce manual steps. Use my tasks to see everything assigned to you in one place. Sort by due date or section to plan your day effectively. Make a habit of reviewing your projects daily. Check deadlines, update progress, and adjust status so everyone stays aligned and nothing slips through the cracks.